Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Ranjan Foodies. Whenever street side food come into picture, especially Indian street side food, there is few type of items that comes into picture. Among them, roll is one of the famous item. So today we'll see how egg roll is getting prepared. So let's see. So here are all the ingredients that we need to prepare egg roll. So here it is, half cabbage chopped, then 2 onion chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, then here garlic chopped, and then 1 green chili. Here it is 2 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have taken a little all-purpose flour aside. Here it is chili powder, then salt, then turmeric, then meat masala, then dark soya sauce, vinegar, then next to it is chili sauce, and then tomato sauce, and little oil for our use. Okay, now we will add oil to the dough, to the all-purpose flour to make a dough. Okay, here then I am going to add water. Before that I will just mix oil well with all-purpose flour. Here I am going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, just make sure that we add salt very carefully, because in our stuffing also we are going to add salt. After this is done, then I am going to add water to it and make a very smooth dough. If you want, you can divide the portion, like 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 cup normal flour or wheat flour. So it is as per your choice. I am going to make a very normal dough, neither very soft nor very tough. Okay, so here it is almost ready. I'll add a bit of oil to grease it properly. Now here it is done. I'm going to cover it and keep it aside. Now here we'll go for the stuffing. Here the pan is hot. I'm going to add here oil, almost 2 spoons. Once it is hot, I'm going to add here chopped ginger. Here it is 1 inch ginger, then 4 garlic. I have chopped it again. I'm adding green chili here only. We'll saute it for some time till the aroma comes out. The raw smell of ginger and garlic are gone here. Now I'm adding onion here. I'm not going to overcook the onion. It is just I'm going to make it a bit soft. I will saute it for some 2 to 3 minutes. Here my flame is medium. Now I'm going to add my cabbage over here as per my requirement. So depending upon how many people you are going to cook, so you are going to add the cabbage as per the quantity you need. Now the dough I have prepared is for 4 people, so accordingly I have added cabbage over here. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Once it got moist, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Again, very careful while adding the salt. Then I'm adding red hot chili powder as per your taste, and a pinch of turmeric powder. I'll mix them well. I'm just going to make it soft and not overcook, so that the crunchiness of those vegetables will be there. Here I'm going to add 1 spoon vinegar, then here 2 spoon soya sauce, you can add as your quantity. It will give it a nice flavor also and a nice color. So 1 tablespoon will preferably be good. So depending upon your quantity, you can add it. Here I'm going to add tomato sauce, and then chili sauce. We'll saute it well, mix it, and we'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the vegetable will absorb all the aroma of the ingredients we gave. Now here I have added meat masala, mix it well. If you want, you can add here chopped capsicum, you can add coriander, you can also add kasuri methi as per your taste. So there is no hide and fast. These are the stuff that is now available at my home, so I have used it. You can use whatever you want. You can use chopped carrot also, so it is as per your taste. Now this is done. I will keep it aside. Now here my dough have rest for quite a good time. It is now soft. Now I will take a lump and give it a round shape so that it will be easy for me to roll out. Now this is my dumpling shape. I will apply dry all-purpose flour to it, and then I'm going to roll it to make a thin chapati. It should not be very thin and it should not be very thick. So now here my chapati is ready. I'm going to cook it in medium flame for some time. Here my tawa is ready. Okay, let me heat it. So here it is sufficiently heat. Now I'm going to transfer this chapati onto it. I'll keep it moving so that it will not burn out. Once the bottom side is done, I'll just flip it up and then I'll apply it to the top surface. You can see there are small bubbles on the top surface. It has started browning as well. We do not want here to give it a very dark color. We'll make it look as exactly as street side food. So it will be a bit white, pale white in color. And you can see that how well it is getting cooked. And here I'll flip it for 1-2 times, and then it is almost done, and I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Done. Now here I'm adding a bit of oil, as I'm now going to make egg roll. So here I'm going to add egg. So this is actually 2 egg. I have whisked it well. I'm going to pour it over here. Again, depending upon your chapati, upon your taste, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Spread this mixture throughout the pan. Here my flame is low. I'll make it a bit medium, and then I will put, before it get completely cooked, I will transfer my chapati on to this egg fluid. We'll leave it for some time to get it cooked. Once this is done, now see, the edges have started leaving the surface. That means it have got cooked. I'll flip it up now. Yeah, you can see the nice golden brown color. So this shows that it is now completely cooked. If you want, you can flip again for 1-2 times. Just to make sure that it is completely cooked and it doesn't have a raw smell. Now let me transfer it to a plate. Yeah, now here it is ready. Let's apply now tomato sauce and chili sauce onto the surface of this chapati. Yes, see, it is now nicely spread out. This will give a very nice flavor. You can add mayonnaise also if you want, or cream, whatever. Now these are the stuffings that we have prepared. I'm adding it here. If you want to make veg roll, don't apply egg. Simply take out the chapati, add this mixture or this stuffing that we made, and then on top of it, garnish it with onion. This will give you a nice flavor. You can also add here chopped carrot, or you can add capsicum, anything. Now make it a roll. Yes, and now here it is completely ready. So try it from your end. Let me know how was it. Till then, bye bye. Take care.